This video will walk you through interacting with the inbound and outbound assistant to inquire about receipts and deliveries, check their statuses and understand their meanings. Initiate a conversation with the assistant. As the input fields are optional, you can fill them according to your requirements. Here we directly start a new conversation. Enter the query command in the chat. The agent will tell you the meaning of RN and its purpose. Type in the query command to get the steps of status checking process. The agent will respond the detailed steps with path, according to the prompt content. Input status fields query command to continue. Feedback the description of various statuses to make user more clear. The following sections introduce the query and response related to DN. Enter the query command in the chat. Replies the description of BN and the three methods to create new DN, which is indicates in prompt. Actually, the agent also support multiple queries once time. Here, we ask about checking DN's status checking process and details for different statuses. As shown in the highlighted, he gives the responses to two queries one by one. Thank you for watching the tutorial on how to use Inbound and Outbound Assistant.